Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your basic payroll account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Google Chrome, then go to your default search engine, then search basic payroll login. Scroll down a little bit. There you can see basic payroll plus. Click on it or directly go to www.basiconline.com. Then you can see employer web account access. Click on it, then it will redirect you to a login portal. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username and a password. To view your password, you can click to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your basic payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.